My name is Drew Newt. I'm in my first year of clinical practice out at Tripler Army Medical Center in Honolulu, Hawaii. I'm a general orthopedist. I just finished residency this past year in June of 2019. The upcoming course is going to be the third annual AANA Fellows and Chief Residents course. That's going to be this coming February 21st to the 23rd, and that's going to be at the OLC out in Rosemont, Illinois. I was fortunate enough to be able to attend the course last year, and I had some really good experiences, and it's been very helpful for me transitioning to clinical practice. One of the things I was able to practice was inside-out meniscus repair, which is something that I did not get a lot of experience with as a resident. And actually my first case as an attending by myself was a flipped bucket handle medial meniscal tear. And I was able to work on that and practice that and hone my skills at the second annual AANA Fellows and Chief Residents course. It was a great course. It was just myself, and I had two attendings working with me. And I've actually been able to reach out to both of them and discuss cases, and they've been extremely helpful. I've made very meaningful connections, and I was very fortunate to be able to go to that course. And I would advise anyone who's able to attend this upcoming course if possible.